everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today is Friday, that means it's another Coaster Friday. I was kind of going through my craft room wanting to use some stuff that's been sitting around for a while, and I came across these half pearls, and I thought they would look really cute in a coaster. Okay, I have mixed some resin. I'm figuring this is going to take about 2 ounces. I'm going to pour it right in there. I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles. I'll let it sit for a minute or two as more bubbles rise to the surface. And I was going through my stuff and I found these half pearls that I had in there, and I thought these would be really cute put in a coaster. So I'm just going to throw a bunch in there and I'll sort them out. Then I will keep adding and keep flipping. Once they're all in and placed, I'm going to just take my lighter, pop the bubbles, and then we will let this sit a minimum of 12 hours. Our half pearl coaster has cured, so we're going to pop it right out. Here it is. Looks very glamorous. Looks nice up against something white. Probably would look pretty nice against something dark too. So definitely fun, and I was originally going to fill up every spot on here, but I thought it was nicer to be able to see through it so that it would always look different with whatever background it happened to be on. And then here's the back. It's just the flat backs of the pearls. So be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the half pearl coaster. It's fun to kind of go around the craft room and just find things that have been sitting there for a while and use them, throw them in a coaster, and they just turn out really cute. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. If you're watching me on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you receive notifications when a new video comes up. And I also wanted to let you know I have a Facebook group. It's called Creating with Craft Klatch, and I have a link to that down in the description below too. Be sure to head over there, join the group, and it's just a bunch of crafters getting together and helping each other out. If you have problems like a crafting problem or a dilemma, people can help you. You can share what you're working on and that type of a thing. So be sure to check that out. And I will definitely see you next time, you guys. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.